Okay, here we are. We're going to make a simple rollover menu in FireWorks. First, draw a regular rectangle, whatever size you please. Make pretty nice color, something like gray. Alright, now let's crop it. Okay, now that's cropped. Let's move some text onto it. Something simple. Alright. Okay, now you're going to come down to here, frames and history. If you don't have that window, you go to frames. Click here. You hit new frame. Then you get this frame 2. You go up to frame 1. Copy everything. Go to frame 2. And then repaste it. Now, just to make sure everything's aligned, hit the play button and make sure nothing moves. As you can see right here, it says 2, 1, 2, 1. Nothing moves. Now go to frame 2 and make a change. Okay, I'm going to change the rectangle to a drop shadow. And the home is going to be a different font. Okay, so now you're going to have to come back to frame 1 and now grab over here under the web panel, slice tool. Click on that. Now draw a great big slice over here. Okay, that just barely covers it. Now when that slice is up, right click on it, add simple rollover behavior. Now go up to file, then image preview. This is very important to make sure that it is a GIF and not an animated GIF. Alright, so now you're gonna have to go to, okay, first of all let's preview it first. Take away this. Look it changes a little bit, and now you're gonna want to export this onto something, perhaps Dreamweaver or whatever you want. Now you're gonna have to go to File, Export. Now this is very important. Let's go up to. Now you have to go to HTML and images, copy to clipboard. This is very important, and export slices. Change the name to awesome. Let's go to my documents. Aim logger. Can't have it explained. Okay. And then export. Now as it thinks. Okay, now that it's exported, you go to your favorite web imaging thing, like Dreamweaver or something like that, front page, and then just paste the image in the designer view, not the code. Alright, and then save and go out. You've got it handled. Yay!